So the noise is coming from this airing cover and it's from the cylinder. So inside the cylinder there is a coil of the primary circuit, and the flow and the return, the water flowing inside in high speed, and when it travels it makes noise due to the vibration. So we can fix this issue either minimizing the speed of the pump or closing or adjusting the gate valve. So the gate valve there on the return is fully open, so if we close a little bit this issue will be resolved. So let's do it. So you can see still there is a noise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn gate valve off. So it's fully off, and now I'm going to open it, quarter open. So once it started to make noise, I'll stop it. Okay, so that noise is gone and the problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.